Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to hide likes on Facebook profile picture. So let's get started the video. Open Facebook and navigate to the menu bar. Scroll down and expand Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings. Scroll down and under Preference section, click on Reaction Preferences. Now you have two different options. The first one will hide any reactions like likes and hearts on posts that you see from other people on Facebook. To hide likes on your profile picture, click on the second option. This will hide reacts from your profile picture and any other post. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.